A very sad story as we see a marathon runner, a centenarian, died not a natural death but because of an accident, a highly avoidable one. But well, we're praying that he rests in peace. A life that defied limits is now mourned around the world. Fauja Singh, legendary turbaned tornado as he's called, has passed away at the age of 114, ending an era but leaving behind a legacy that will never stop running. The centenarian marathoner, who became a global icon of grit and grace, was tragically killed in a road accident during his routine morning walk in his village near Beas City, Punjab. Police say, in fact, they've at this point registered a case. They're scanning CCTV footage to really piece together what exactly happened. But Fauja Singh's legacy is timeless. He ran his first marathon at the age of 89. He clocked his best time, 5 hours and 40 minutes, at the age of 92 in Toronto. And at 101, he finished a 10K race in Hong Kong in just 1 hour, 32 minutes. All of this with a smile, a turban, and unshakable willpower. This man, let's listen in to what his son had to say.
एक्सीडेंट हो गया, गाड़ी लगी उसके बीच जी, गाड़ी वाला तो भाग गया जी। तो
कुछ पहचाना उसकी गाड़ी की कौन सी
पहचान को पुलिस लगी हुई है
जी,
उसकी सीसी कैमरे चेक करते हैं, सब कुछ करते हैं। देखो इतने बड़ी सड़क में क्या पता लगता है कौन सी गाड़ी कैसे है। ये तो पुलिस का काम है ना
जी।
हमको तो पता ही नहीं कि क्या हुआ, हमको तो फोन आया।
पुलिस के साथ बातचीत हुई है?
हाँ हुई।
क्या कहते हैं
वो कहते लगे हुए हैं, रिकॉर्डिंग देखते हैं सभी रोड पे
जी। तो कोई सीसीटीवी सामने नहीं है अभी?
नहीं, उनके पास होगी, मेरे पास नहीं है। उनके पास होगी, जो भी कुछ होगी पुलिस डिप्टी साहब के पास होगी।
Well, sadly, tributes have poured in. Prime Minister himself, Narendra Modi, who called him an extraordinary athlete with a spirit that inspired millions to stay fit, fearless and resilient. Even at 114, Fauja was marching, quite literally, joining anti-drug campaigns in Punjab, proving once again that he wasn't just running races, he was leading movements. In fact, author Khushwant Singh, who confirmed the news, says the village of Fauja is currently in grief. And yet, though, they are celebrating his story. From a humble farmer to the face of global marathons, he will keep inspiring generations to lace up and go beyond every limit.